మీ బిజినెస్ ఏదైనా మీ ఊర్లో ప్రమోషన్ చేయాలంటే అది సుమన్ టీవీతోనే సాధ్యం. ఇప్పుడే సంప్రదించండి.
హాయ్ హలో నమస్తే, వెల్కమ్ టు సుమన్ టీవీ. నేను మీ తిరుపతిరావు. ఈరోజు మనం కందుకూరు నుంచి ఉలవపాడు వెళ్ళే హైవే మీద ఉన్నాం. ఇక్కడ మార్గమధ్యమంలో చండీగఢ్ నుంచి ఆస్ట్రేలియాకు సైక్లింగ్ చేస్తూ ఒక అతను వస్తూ ఉన్నాడు. అతను సైక్లింగ్ ఎందుకు చేస్తున్నాడు, అసలు దాని పర్పస్ ఏంది ఆయన మాటల్లోనే అడిగి తెలుసుకుందాం. హాయ్ సార్, నమస్తే.
Namaste ji.
వాట్ ఈజ్ యువర్ నేమ్ సార్?
Amit. My name is Amit Tyagi. I'm from Chandigarh, Punjab.
వేర్ ఆర్ యూ స్టార్టెడ్ ఫ్రమ్ దిస్ సైక్లింగ్ సార్?
I started 1 year ago from Punjab. I've covered 7 states, 19,000 kilometers, 1 year of riding. Now I'm here in Andhra Pradesh.
వై ఆర్ యూ టేకింగ్ దిస్ డెసిషన్ సార్?
So this is a world tour. So first I am traveling in my country so that I can learn about the culture of my country. I can know my country better, like the food, traditions, culture, language and all. And then I will be spreading Indian culture around the world during my world tour.
హౌ మెనీ డేస్ యూ ఆర్ టేకింగ్ టు ది ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్? హౌ మెనీ డేస్ యూ
I entered Andhra from Tamil Nadu around 5 days ago. So this is the 5th day.
వాట్ ఈస్ దిస్ పర్పస్?
Purpose is spreading Indian culture to the world. So this is a world tour. So after completing India, I'll go to Australia, and then from Australia I'll go to Fiji and New Zealand, Japan, Korea and all. So whole world I'm traveling on bicycle.
Sir, how many days you taking the Chandigarh to Australia? How many days taking?
So around 6-7 months more I will spend in my country because I'm traveling to West Bengal and then Assam and Northeast. From there I'll start international. So by the end of 2025 I will be in Australia. So 1.5 year more.
Are you married, sir? Any family backgrounds? Tell me your family background.
So I had to choose between world tour and wife because world tour is my dream. So I choose world tour. I'm not married.
Are you working any company, sir?
So I was a corporate trainer. I have a working experience of 22.5 years. So before starting this ride, I was working full time. Now I left the job and traveling. To handle my expenses or to manage with it, I do freelancing. I work 4-5 days in a month. I earn some money and then again continue the journey. So this is how slowly, gradually it is happening.
This world tour is completed. Next, what will you do?
A world tour will take 20-25 years because Australia is the first phase. After Australia, I'll go to other country also. So it will take me 20 years or 25 years. So it's a long time to think what will I do after that.
Sir, actually, in this journey, where are you sleeping and staying on journey in this journey?
So if you look at my bicycle, this is like a 1 BHK flat. It has a tent, mattress, it has all the clothes and it has a cooking set also. So in emergency I can cook also. For the mobile charging and camera charging I have a solar panel and power bank also. So when I get a power connection I charge power bank. If I don't get it I use solar panel for charging. So it has everything required.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you so much.